Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. If you have made it to this video, you are doing well. You are doing an awesome job. You are right where you need to be. Hopefully it was an easy process logging in the class link, using your Google account to get to Schoology, and hopefully you found this course rather easy because you will need to access this course every single day as we go online. Okay, first off, I would like to introduce myself. You should be in language arts class. I am your language arts teacher. I am Mr. Gavin. Okay, it is nice to meet you all. I would rather meet you in person and be interacting face to face and going through this beginning of this school year together in person, but that is not the situation we are in right now. Okay, but we are going to attack the situation with a positive attitude. You will hear me say that a lot. I think a lot of how you view things, okay, and the perspective you have on things is going to make any situation the best you can, and that we can have fun with it and learn from each other. All right, so this is language arts. Once again, I am Mr. Gavin. Understand, during this online, it is also my first time going through this online process. Okay, so I am going to make mistakes. You are going to make mistakes as well. That is perfectly okay, all right? As long as we are respectful in the way we approach those mistakes. Okay, feel free to email me. My email should be on that cover letter you received in your personal email. Also, you can message me using the Schoology app, and so that we are in constant communication if you have problems. Okay, this will be where you come for daily videos, daily assignments, and different things like that for your language arts course. All right, couple things about me. Number one, I enjoy coaching. Okay, that's one kind of fun thing about me. I coach basketball and baseball at Pueblo County High School, and I love doing it every single day. Okay, it's something I take a lot of pride in. It's something I enjoy doing, and I wake up every single day with a smile on my face, trying to be better and trying to make other kids better, and just really enjoying that experience, whether it be on the basketball court, baseball field, whatever it may be. Okay, I'm a big sports guy. You will see around the room. Hopefully we can get in the classroom in the near future, but you will notice a lot of sports-related themes going along around the room. It is something I just really enjoy. I really enjoy the competition aspect of it, the teamwork. I believe teamwork is a huge aspect, learning from one another, and accomplishing goals and different things like that as a team. All right, another thing I do is I enjoy fishing. I was able to fish a lot this summer with my father. I love going out on the river, going out on the lake, being outdoors, kind of disconnecting from the world. I know we all have something that we do and we enjoy that we really disconnects us if we're having a bad day or we want to get something off our mind. That is one thing I really do enjoy, okay, is fishing with my father. He is a lot better fisherman than I am, but like I said, I enjoy just being outdoors and enjoying his company and getting to spend some time with my father. So I hope you guys were able to enjoy some sort of hobby, some sort of interest or activity this summer and during your time off, because it has been a beautiful summer and beautiful weather. So hopefully you're able to get outdoors like I was and enjoy some time with some family and some friends. Okay, another third thing, obviously it's language arts, so I enjoy reading. Okay, I think we learn a lot from reading. Another way to get off into our own world is by reading books. First this summer, I was able to finish what is called the Talent Code. Okay, quick summary of it. It's about people around the world who accomplish miraculous things. Okay, not only in the sports world, but other aspects of life, science, all kinds of cool things that people have really done. How they have set goals, they go with that plan to achieve those goals, and they really attack everything with a positive attitude, which we will do every single day in language arts class. Okay, we'll attack everything with a good mindset, being respectful, working as a team, okay, and really having a strong resiliency and persistence to accomplish goals and to get through everything together. Okay, that kind of leads me into the next book I was able to read this summer. It is called Attitude. Yes, it is about a basketball coach, but there's a lot more to it than just basketball. Okay, it really dives in to being a good person, treating others with respect, okay, then you'll get that respect back to you. Once again, a really big reason or a really big theme that I model my classroom after. All right, so we are going to attack every assignment, every discussion, every video with a good positive attitude, just like it has in that book. And we are going to respect what others say, others' opinions, others' voice, and always feel free to express your own voice, because I believe that is very important, especially in this language arts world. Okay, so those are a couple things about me. As we go through the school year, you are going to learn a lot about me, just as I will learn a lot about you. Okay, and I'm excited to do that. I'm excited to learn about my students. I love my students to know about me, and building that relationship so we can have a nice, smooth school year and we can learn a lot. All right. As you notice, you will have an assignment today. Okay, your assignment today is very simple. I have made it very easy for you to start off this school year. You will see a question below this video. Okay, I would like you just to respond to this question to the best of your ability. All right, I would like a complete thought, a lot of effort into this answer, and kind of we can get off to a good start with this first assignment for you. Okay, first thing I want to know, you'll notice, and it'll be written below, but what specifically are you excited for this year at PV? Now, that does not have to be any particular class. It does not have to be my class. It does not have to be language arts. Okay, it does not have to be a sport. Yes, it can be. Okay, but it could be anything that you're excited for: an elective, making new friends, meeting new teachers, okay, being in a different environment, starting a school year off fresh, whatever it may be, whatever excites you to come to PV and to be a PV Lion, because I surely do love being a PV Lion. And there's plenty of things around this school that I know that you are probably excited to accomplish and to get started with this year. So that is the first thing I would like you to answer. And then the second one is, I want to know if you had any trouble logging in or viewing this assignment. Okay, it can be a simple answer, but make sure it is a complete thought. Yes, I did have trouble logging in. This was my problem, and then I can help you with that in the future. Or no, I didn't have a problem logging in. It was a smooth transition, which hopefully that was for all of us. Okay, that is my vision. That is my hope for you, that you have no trouble throughout this process and that you can log in every day and complete your assignments. Okay, so once again, I am Mr. Gavin. I am ecstatic to get going. And during this school year, I will see all of you logging into this course every single day like we are supposed to, completing assignments, asking questions, and interacting with each other as we go. Okay, so great job getting to this far. You're doing an awesome job. Hopefully you get through the rest of your courses today rather easily, and hope you find it easy to navigate Schoology. All right, so let's start this year off on a good note. Don't forget to submit that assignment, and I will see you next time.